Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the brew unit. This is the old brew unit of the machine, and as you can see it's really in bad condition. It was not again detected inside the machine. We tried to put a setup in the home position, which is this one. This is the home position of the machine, of the brew unit. We inserted it multiple times, it didn't get in there. It was not getting detected, so we calibrated the motor, check inside as well, and put it back in there, and it was still not getting detected. So we installed a newer one, and it was just working right away. So yeah, we had to replace this brew unit, and after that we did the machine. We did some clean. We run some cleaner to the entire machine, clean out the upper spouts of this machine. As you guys know, this machine does have an upper spouts over here in the behind the display board that it's really hard to get to. The only way to get to is to remove the entire thing and disassemble it and clean it. So we run cleaner through it as well. Everything looked good when it came out. We descaled this machine, and we just been giving it a nice cleaning all over it. So starting with one espresso shot, we're gonna be testing it out. We are grinding on the courses, not on the course setting, but on the course setting of the grinder. Usually they recommend to be on the middle. This is a little bit above the middle, more closer to the coarser setting. But we'll still be gonna able to see good crema coming out through the spouts. We also resetted the machine itself. The quantities of the espresso button, espresso and espresso lungo are the quantities that the machine comes with. As you can see, steady stream coming out through the spouts, excellent flow, and really good crema, even though we're using a coarse setting and our test coffee, which is a bit old. We got good crema on top of that espresso shot. Now we're going to be testing the steamer, but first we're going to be testing the hot water, as it's much easier to do hot water than the steam on this machine, because the thermoblock doesn't need to heat up that much. As you can see, having nice steady stream coming out of the one, excellent temperature. You can see the steam coming out through here. Really great temperature, really great flow. Now let's test the steamer, and like I say, the thermoblock needs to get at temperature in order to produce steam. So we're gonna have to wait a bit. Once the thermoblock gets up to temperature, the water pump will start pulsing water from the water tank through the thermoblock, through this valve, through the one that you see right here. It will purge itself because we previously did hot water. Once it purges itself, we're gonna see the steam. As you can see, lots of steam coming out through that one. Working excellent, amazing pressure coming out through here. Excellent steam, working great. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.